Are you looking to take control of your sales forecasting and get more clarity out of your HubSpot pipeline? In today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the forecast tool in HubSpot from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to tailor your forecast settings, organize your deal stages, create new forecast types, and set goals for your team, all inside HubSpot. Let's dive in and set things up together. First, we need to access and customize your forecast settings. Start by clicking the small settings gear icon at the very top of your HubSpot dashboard. You'll find it close to your profile photo. This takes you into the control center for everything in your account. On the left sidebar, navigate to Objects, then select Forecast. Now, if you work with several pipelines, pay attention to the Select a Pipeline dropdown at the top. It lets you choose which exact pipeline you want to manage forecasting for. It's important to pick the right one, since the setup will reflect on that specific pipeline. Under the Customize Forecast column section, click the Customize button. This lets you select which columns will show up in your forecasting reports. So think about the details you want your sales team to see at a glance. Maybe total deal value, close date, or owner name. It's also a good idea to decide whether you want your forecast periods to be monthly or quarterly, depending on how frequently you review targets. You'll find this option in the Forecast Period drop-down menu. Most folks stick with monthly for a tighter view, but quarterly can be great for big-picture planning. Next, let's customize your forecast categories and deal stages. This will help your team know exactly where each deal stands. In the forecast settings, head over to the Pipelines tab. Select the same pipeline you're working on, then look at the category drop-down menus. Here, you'll be assigning your deal stages into one of 4 forecast categories: commit, best case, closed won, or not forecasted. Think of these as buckets for organizing your deals by likelihood and progress. For example, commit is for those deals you truly expect to close, while best case might be deals with some positive signals but still some uncertainty. Closed won means the deal is officially done and successful, and not forecasted is for leads or opportunities that aren't quite firm enough for forecasting yet. Take a little time here. Aligning these categories with your actual sales process will make your forecasts much more trustworthy. Now, if your sales process needs something more specialized, you can actually create a whole new forecast type. To do this, navigate to Sales in your main HubSpot menu and select Forecast. In the upper right corner, click Create Forecast Type. This step lets you set up customized reports for your unique business needs. Give your new forecast type a clear, descriptive name, something your whole team will recognize. Next, simply choose a date property and amount property from the drop-down menus. These control which dates and deal amounts your forecast will focus on, so choose them based on how your team tracks sales. You can also customize the columns that will be visible in the deal table. Maybe you want to see product type or deal source. When you're ready, click Finish. Then, go to Forecast to check out your new forecast type in action. Don't worry if you don't get everything perfect on your first try. These settings are flexible and can be adjusted later. Finally, let's set goals for your team or individual users to keep everyone motivated and on track. Go to Sales, then Forecast, and click Create Goal. Here, you'll define exactly what you want your team to work towards by choosing the goal category. For example, sales revenue, or number of deals closed. Pick a specific goal type and select the user or team the goal applies to, the relevant year, and, of course, the right pipeline. Then, set your targets for each time period: monthly, quarterly, or even annually. Setting clear, measurable goals is key for tracking progress and keeping your team focused. And that's it. You've just built a solid foundation for forecasting inside HubSpot. Remember, each company and team is unique, so don't hesitate to experiment with these settings and adjust over time. If this walkthrough helped you get organized, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need extra guidance, and don't forget to subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your new forecasts.